Wouldn't be a day in the life of Celine look like?
Is it like my personal life or content life? Because
The two of them. The two of them. Your personal life, your content creating life, everything joined together.
A day in the life of Celine. You don't give me idea for YouTube channel, but that is by the way.
When you reach YouTube, don't give me credit.
I go give you credit.
I go follow you, drag them. Don't worry yourself.
Your head, I go give you credit.
It's okay, baby.
Okay, so
yeah,
Celine a busy person. Make I no lie.
You show.
Na busy person. No.
You show.
See TikTok. I be like TikTok influencer gone. You get forget Instagram, but na TikTok with my hustle dey where. You get so as content creator, you get an influencer for TikTok. Every day I dey walk. Every day I dey jump for road. Every day I dey come up with new ideas where I fit load people, knowing fully well say I get hungry audience where they wait say Celine, when you go post the next update you get. And TikTok na place where you guys they post back to back. You guys they consistent.
You should know you lose.
You guys work. See me now, you need to look me. I don't lean finish. Work won't choke me.
Celine Dion.
But within I go do, I go just the hustle because now money will they find at the end of the day.
What's like the biggest money you don't make for TikTok?
The biggest money. I got stuck on for this live video.
Why not? Why not? Why not if not?
You want me to kidnap me?
Why? How much you get?
100K.
You mean 100K dollars?
100K naira.
No, that's small money, Joe. That's small money,
But we just guys they keep the hustle going because consistency na the key at the end of the day. And TikTok na platform where you just guys they update your fans. You just guys they push. If not push, other people there will go take over. You get.
And overtaking is allowed.
Overtaking is allowed. The sky is big. You get. So you guys they push yourself. I mean, if I never blow finish, I won't blow past this one. You get. So I go just they push. But my personal life, people they always misunderstand say because I craze online, I craze in reality. I become person.
Like when you see phone or camera or ring light, your craze will not start.
You get.
Today you come out this your wig. This is where you do fine wig come.
Na frontal. I don't feel come out time.
Every of our video, every time you come out wig. Every time.
But Celine is actually a cool person though. Outside social media, she just likes enjoying her own space. I like privacy. They show you waiting you want to see, and I no go show you waiting you not supposed to see. You get so now so my life they I know to like outside. Not just content they carry me come out outside. They go shoot. So I just like inside house. I just like the day. People don't know say I be introvert, but I be introvert. You get now when I see camera, I don't turn to extrovert. Though.
I tell you.
So
the content creating world. You and I know, say, it is very competitive. A lot of competition there. Sometimes when you drop content, especially if brand give like one same brand give plenty creators to influence a brand, you they ever get a bit intimidated by other people's number of engagements and views?
I'm not sure say they intimidated though, cause me be like say I dey live my life in a way like I did for my own world. You get. I need to see other people like competition, cause if you want to see other people like competition, you go to get heart attack every time now. Your heart go do gig anytime when you see another person stuff.
I like that beat. Do them again. Because I be produce beat.
So I need to see I'm like competition. The only thing why they try do for myself now say. You know this song where they sing, say, dare to be different, be first to say no. That time for Celynukam, now also they sing that time. That song, now they carry choke for my head every time. Say, anytime you want create content, just they different. You get. If people they go left, you say they go right. If it don't make sense, but just they go right, just they different. Maybe say you they compete with yourself alone. Because me, gong, I don't like competition. If person just put me for space where you go dey like say you won't be like say I won't compete. I dey carry kukuma come on myself. You get. So when they give us jobs like that, or when we dey create our normal day-to-day contents, I dey try one art spice. You get. Make it just dey different from waiting person they do now.
It's
sense
a
we don't
town
dey
hall
use.
different.
You get. From school when they give us assignment, we go just they put A instead of B, but now B C be the answer. You get. So now just being different, being or just be yourself, just do your thing. You just do all right, Jerry.
Last.
That's why they do.
But something where I feel say go hit you personally, because I know say the comment section in Lagos, Nigeria, Now war. If you see negative content, it will give you sleepless nights. They affect you in any way.
They give me sleepless nights.
Nah,
So
lie.
make I even tell you something. You get a day where they bash one of my friend. They told her say, "Madam, your mouth dey like dog oh." Guess what? Me and my friends sit down, carry red wine, we dey gist, dey laugh. I can't look and say, "Madam, see as your mouth dey like dog." We laugh.
Like a bingo.
Like. We need to take am personal oh. You see all those things wey dem Kataife dey do wey dey talk say him too ugly, him go use am do content. Na wetin we dey do.
Also, you believe Kataife is ugly?
Na wetin dey talk, no be wetin me I talk.
But you
na bandwagon effect, no be me.
Okay.
No be me talk am.
Okay,
Leave that
continue.
side first.
All right.
So when we see negative comments like when I see negative comments like that, I dey always laugh oh.
Don't be say they dodge am.
I dey laugh. They say I get big forehead, I dey laugh. They say I don lean, I be like say I get HIV, I dey laugh. Because deep down, I know say no be so me I dey. God creates me like that. My content dey okay. I just dey alright. I just dey live my life. Anytime when they just bash me, na laugh I dey. I'll just call my friend say see wetin they talk. We go use and laugh. She go use and even abuse me for house. I go laugh, laugh. So you no suppose dey take life serious. I go even use and self create content. Reply you say, oh, see you, finish oh. I need to take am serious because I wan go kill myself.
So you go take this ones where I won't talk now. Take do content.
I go laugh so.
Number one, you get big forehead too. Correct. It's
If
confirmed.
you do say I hit you, go.
Hey.
The forehead.
But una dey learn now. See cheap data. All they need is cheap data. Oh. Small strictly MB and power bank too. That's all. They go they type this, and they don't say this thing they get lasting effect on some of these people. But I see you there shell. You get wall around you.
I no
You
get
know
that
they
kind of
penetrate.
time.
You don't they convert them.
Me every day I dey laugh. I dey catch cruise. Forget maturity. I dey laugh. I feel dey for road sef dey laugh person when him hair sef dey strong. Because I dey alright oh. So nothing you fit tell me wey go get to me sha.
All right. But how long you go say be the longest time where you don't ever do a particular shoot? Like hours.
When I do Asoka challenge, Jesus. As I come up for that challenge finish, my body hear am.
It was really challenging.
Jesus.
The challenge was challenging.
I used 3 days
Well,
do that video.
10?
That particular video.
10
It be like
days?
say I dey act movie 3 days.
Okay, 3 days. Okay.
3 days oh. It be like say I dey act movie. And that 3 days no be small oh. I go change to this one, change to that one. Stress my videographer. I no get sleepless night. And I me dey do myself makeup. You get. Sometimes I need one stress person. So I just gas learn everything by myself. You get. So I can't learn how to do makeup. I do myself makeup for that challenge. That should stress me die. It stress me well. But I been dey alright. It give me the views where I need sha.
Celine, what should be the most expensive you don't buy for yourself?
The most expensive gifts
Ring
I
lights.
don't buy for myself. Now ring light, so you don't talk and finish. I still dey hustle. You
power
get.
bank.
And I know they like make person. I did just like one day like independent lady. But if God just say, oh, Alpha, I dey send this social helper, make it just.
Oh.
I go dey alright so.
All
But if
right.
God still say, oh yeah, collect this money, take. I go do.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1